coming out next. I spotted the red guitar. Here's the band setting up. There is Clay, Leaf, Brandon, we're waiting on Taylor to come out. There's Sam. There's Brian. There's Brian. Oh, Brian's on the left tonight. It's reversed. Taylor will be out any minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, on April the 27th, 2011, there were 64 tornadoes that hit our state. They traveled the state for over 640 miles. Their width exceeded over 10 miles. In the history of this state, we've only had 32 F4 or F5 tornadoes. We had 9 on that day. All of us remember where we were on April 27th, and all of us have been touched by the storm. My name is Major Ogilvie. I'm glad to be with all of y'all this evening, and I want to thank all of you for being here. It means a lot, and as y'all know, this is going to be a long-term project for all of us, particularly the sport, but more importantly, people knowing that we care. And as we all know in the state of Alabama, we do care. I'd like to encourage y'all, and I'm going to do this too, and have already done it, and I know many of y'all have, just being here tonight. But we'd like to encourage all of you to support the Bama Rising charity auction, which is online up until this Thursday morning, June the 16th. You can go to www.charitybuzz.com and bid on the auction. Also, you can donate $10 to the Bama Rising Fund by texting BAMA to 501-501. That's 501-501. The text messaging rates will apply, and the $10 donation will be added to your cell phone bill. Y'all, it's my distinct pleasure to introduce Taylor Hicks this evening. And with that said, let's give him a very warm Bama Rising and Roll Tide welcome.
This is a wonderful occasion for me because we can all make a difference tonight. For BamaRising.org, this is a wonderful organization for all of us to come together tonight to raise some great money that will go to some great people and some people that need it. How many folks out there that have friends and families serving in our military and our servicemen? Well, I've sent this song all over the world. And this song here is about a fallen soldier, and this is for them. This is called 19. The number on his bag, on the captain of the high school football team. Took us all the way to state, got a scholarship to play down in Alabama. He could catch, he could throw, he could run, he could go like you've never seen. 19, but on the day